sound is not attached with your computer.
Now.
Yes, fine. Now fine.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so it's in Swedish, so I'm basically just seeing if this is possible to do.
Okay, just can you share your screen? Then just show up like one sample how and which information you want. Go your LinkedIn and let me see.
Okay, so this is a directory of Swedish companies, and this is, you see how many hits there is, but all of these are not gyms, but this is let's see,
Gym and fitness.
I'm gonna, yes, hold on here. Okay, so this search here, then go into like that, and then you would have to search this name, and then go into the website, and then very manual.
Yes, I got it, no problem, and we can do it, no problem. Around there was 1200 plus, so just you can we can imagine like 500 pure information we can collect. Okay.
Can you say that again, please?
Around 500 information we can collect from the like 1200, because we don't know that how many information related to your niche, like all not gym. So from 1200 we can collect first approximately like 500. If possible, we will collect ongoing on process.
Okay.
So as you work, like we charge around for manual job, like $30 per 100. Okay, I will give you $5 discount because you are working on Fiverr, I know. So you know the value of the good lead also. Okay, so manual job 100 lead, all info $25. That's good for you.
100 leads, $25. Okay, so
manual job need to invest more time, need to collect, see everything in details. So that's the things. Otherwise, we can, if scrap possible, then we can give you like $50 or $20. Okay, but when we need to do manual job and need time, collect information, all the things like goes to the this directory, collect from the Google, and also going to the LinkedIn. Okay. So from 1200 plus out of 1200 we can gauge that it could be around 500. If possible, we will collect ongoing. You give us the like little bit more, extra money. It doesn't matter.
Okay. So what was your price again? You said 400 leads. It's
500. If we collect 500, let me $125. Hold on.
So how much for 100 leads then? It's
100 leads, $25.
Okay. So 500. You said a $5 discount. Can you apply that? So make it 20.
Okay, no problem. That means you want $20 per 100, right?
But just for a start, and if I find it good, we can do 25 next time.
I consider, and we are looking long-term relation because we are working as an agency, not only for this project. If we work on Fiverr, then we can bargain, because you send the money outside, so it also save us few money. Because whereas you put the $25 in Fiverr, then they charge us $5 per $25.
Yeah.
Okay, 20%. So it also save you and also save us.
Yeah. So we can start with like 200 leads for now.
No problem.
Let's try out the relationship.
Yes.
And $40
You can see the lead,
or
how the lead is qualified, because we are working professionally. I'm a trainer of social media ads and lead generation, data entry, virtual assistant, all everything. So don't worry for the overall process, like the quality and valid lead will collect perfectly, because we are looking ongoing process. Okay.
Yeah.
So then you send us the money right now, and we'll start your job. Okay. We have team members, 10, so we'll do it as soon as possible and send it to you. Murad, just make a I will make a virtual assistant WhatsApp group. Then Adam directly send us and message, so that communication will be perfect. Okay, you can make a group. Okay, with me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So Adam, you share your screen. I saw the few process. You can directly send the money instantly, like 1 minute, within 1 minute.
Say that again, please.
You just share your screen. Share your screen again. Share your computer screen again. I'll show up you the process.
Okay.
Okay. Take a new tab. Okay. Remitly.com. Remitly.
I'm gonna wait.
Okay. Hold on. I'm sending you a request, mouse request.
Okay,
you can approve me if possible.
No, I'm not.
Okay, no
I'm
need.
not
You go yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
So remitly.com. REMI. No, not remotely. Remitly. MI. Yeah. TLI.
Oh, sorry.
Not E.
Not the E.
Yes. Yes. First one. Enter. Yeah. Yes. So select the Bangladesh. BAN. Bangladesh is not. Oh no. Hold on. Your country is Sweden. From yes, that one. Get start and send now. Then just put your email.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing for now.
Okay. Yes. Sure.
Sir, I create WhatsApp group.
Okay. I got it. Okay. So put the $50. Okay, let me check your Swedish balance. 50 USD to Swedish krona. It could be 487.
Yeah.
Okay, then mobile money. Bikash, yes. Continue. Okay, then put my first name, MD Johnny, MD dot KHAI AI RUL. Okay, then last name Islam, ISLAM. Then the here mobile number 1737 76 1776. Okay, hold on, I'm just cross checking. Okay, do continue and stop the screen. Then you complete your information. Okay, hold on, wait a minute, you will get a yes. It will take maybe a few times. Submit beginning.
Wait.
Yes. I think you have to put submit.
I have an app here.
Okay. Now this is the process. Okay, perfect. Scroll down a little bit. Okay, fine. I hope this time it will come.
Yeah.
Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, you now send us the your like this adaptory here in our WhatsApp group.
Hey guys. Okay. Search. Okay, so I called it directory search. URL. And the keyword there is gym anläggningar. Should I write that out so it doesn't get lost or something?
Okay, no problem. What information need? We got it, no problem. You just send the URL. Oh, we got the directory link, no problem.
You got the directory link with
yes.
With this search. So
yes. So no problem.
So just do all of them. It might it's gonna be probably stuff that's not gyms in here, but it's gonna be good enough, I think.
So main keyword is gym, right? Gym and fitness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gyms.
Can you check the Remitly again? What's the process?
Yes.
Remitly, yes. It's in process. It's not take time. Sometimes I don't know. Let me check.
Can I update the site? Refresh?
Okay, you do refresh.
Okay. We're waiting for authority from your bank. It's actually a holiday in Sweden.
No, it no need from your side. Sometimes it take time, or Remitly is available here, from the sometimes it takes time. Let's see. No problem. We will start your job. Then if not complete this process, we can do cancel and we can take the other way. No problem. Money doesn't matter. You send us, so it will come. You will check later. Okay. And if we got the money, we will notify you over the over WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Do that.